All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are going to tackle one of the biggest, and I mean biggest, problems for any investor out there, just a total overload of information. We're going to explore how new AI, specifically Google's Gemini 3, is changing the game. We'll look at a whole new workflow that can help you, yes you, cut through all that noise, and maybe, just maybe, find your next winning trade.
You know the feeling, right? You're staring at your screen, and you are literally buried under an avalanche of earnings reports, 10K filings, news articles. It's just endless. The answer you're looking for, it's somewhere in that mess, but you're so overwhelmed, you make a trade on a gut feeling. And then you watch it go the wrong way. That, my friends, is analysis paralysis, and it's a massive headache for pretty much every modern investor.
But what if there was a better way? There is! So here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll look at that investor's dilemma. Then, I'll introduce you to your new AI analyst. We'll go through 4 super powerful research methods, but then we got to get real about Gemini's limitations. After that, we'll talk about adding a specialist tool, and finally, put it all together into a complete AI workflow. Let's get started.
So how do we solve this whole information overload problem? Well, the answer is not about working harder, that's for sure. It's about using a smarter tool. So let me introduce you to your new AI analyst, Google's Gemini 3. Seriously, think of it like having a junior analyst right at your fingertips, 24/7, ready to go.
Okay, so what makes Gemini so special? The key here is that it's multimodal. Now, that's a fancy word, but all it really means is that unlike the older AIs that only got text, Gemini can process text, images, and charts, all at the same time. For an investor, this is an absolute revolution. I mean, think about it. You can upload a PDF of an annual report, a screenshot of a stock chart, and a spreadsheet of financial data, and then ask Gemini to analyze them together. That's the magic right there.
And here's the other game changer. It's massive context window. Again, sounds technical, but it just means it can hold a ton of information in its memory at once. It's like having a conversation with someone who has a perfect memory. You could feed it a company's last 5 years of earnings call transcripts, ask a super specific question about something from year 2, and boom, it'll remember every single detail to give you a really nuanced answer.
So what's the impact of all this? Honestly, it's staggering. Get this, leveraging these tools can cut your research time by 90%. 9-0. This isn't just about saving a few hours on a Sunday afternoon. This is about democratization. Insights that were once locked away only available to huge hedge funds with armies of analysts are now accessible to, well, to you, to anyone.
Okay, but look, having a tool that saves you 90% of your time is only half the battle, right? You got to know how to use it. So let's walk through 4 really powerful research methods you can start using, like today. And here's the key. You have to treat Gemini like a really talented, really smart intern. You need to give it clear, specific instructions to get the best results.
All right, method number 1, the stock overview. So when you're first looking at a new company, you don't want to get bogged down in the nitty-gritty details right away. No, you need that big picture, that 30,000-foot view of its financial health, and just as importantly, what the heck management is thinking.
And this is where the magic really happens. Look at this prompt. The power here isn't just asking for numbers. It's asking the AI to act as a senior financial analyst and analyze the tone of the earnings call. Your standard stock screener? It can't do that. No way. But Gemini can tell you if the CEO is using cautious words like headwinds or uncertainty. And let me tell you, that can be a massive red flag that the raw numbers alone would completely miss.
Okay, on to method number 2, comparing stocks. You know how it is. Trying to choose between 2 direct competitors can be super challenging. And this is an area where Gemini's big context window really shines.
With just a simple prompt, you can ask Gemini to create a beautiful, structured comparison table, just like this one. I mean, think about it. Instead of you having 6 different browser tabs open, trying to remember who has what PE ratio and whose growth rate was what, it's all just laid out for you nice and clean. This lets you spot those valuation anomalies instantly. You know, maybe one company has way higher growth but a lower PE ratio. That could be an undervalued gem just waiting for you.
All right, method 3 is all about risk. You know, most investors are totally focused on the upside. How much money can I make? But the truly successful investors, they are obsessed with the downside. How much could I possibly lose? This next method uses Gemini to basically become your own personal risk officer.
The key to this prompt is telling it to ignore all that generic legal boilerplate, stuff like general economic conditions. You want the real, company-specific risks. And in seconds, literally seconds, Gemini can scan a 100-page document and pull out a critical detail. For instance, it might discover that a company relies on just 3 clients for 50% of its revenue. Wow, if one of those clients decides to walk, that stock could absolutely crash. That single insight could save you a fortune.
And finally, our fourth method, building a thematic portfolio. Sometimes you don't want to bet on just one single company, right? You want to bet on a broad trend, something like the reindustrialization of the US. Well, you can ask Gemini to act as a portfolio manager and suggest a whole basket of stocks that give you exposure to that theme. This alone can save you hours and hours of initial research.
Now look, Gemini sounds absolutely amazing, and it is. But, and this is a really big but, relying on it alone for your financial future can be really, really dangerous. It's what we call a generalist AI, and you have to understand its critical limitations.
First off, you need to know that these big language models can hallucinate. That's the technical term for, well, they just make stuff up sometimes. It might confidently tell you a company's revenue was $10 billion when it was actually $12 billion. It's a language model, not a calculator, so you absolutely have to verify the raw numbers yourself. And maybe most importantly, it has 0 real-time trading signals. It can't tell you that huge institutional volume is spiking right now. This is the key takeaway. Gemini helps you figure out what to research, but it can't tell you when to trade.
So, if Gemini can't tell you when to pull the trigger, what's the solution? Well, this is where the second crucial part of our strategy comes in. You pair the broad research power of a generalist AI like Gemini with the laser-focused precision of a specialized financial AI tool. The difference between these two is simple, but it is so powerful. Gemini, remember, is trained on the entire internet. That includes cat videos, recipes for banana bread, everything. A specialist tool, on the other hand, is fine-tuned specifically on financial data, chart patterns, and trading signals. That's it. So think of it this way. Gemini gives you the research. The specialist tool gives you the signals.
Okay, so let's put it all together. Let's see what a complete professional-grade workflow actually looks like when you combine the strengths of both of these types of AI.
It's a 4-step process. Step 1, you start broad. Use Gemini to identify a cool theme, like cybersecurity, and have it spit out a list of, say, 10 promising stocks. Step 2, you get specific. You take those 10 tickers and plug them into a specialist AI stock picker. It'll analyze all the price and volume data to rank them for you. Step 3, you time your entry. Once you've got your top candidate, you use dedicated swing trading tools to get a precise buy signal. And finally, step 4, confirmation. You can use something like a whale tracker to see if the smart money is buying in real time right alongside you. Again, something Gemini just can't do.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? It's pretty simple, really. The old way of doing things, spending your entire weekend poring over dense, boring financial documents, that era is officially over. With tools like Gemini, you can analyze stocks faster and with way more depth than was ever possible before.
But we absolutely have to remember this one crucial thing. Information is not the same as a trading plan. It's just not. To actually turn all of that amazing AI-powered research into profit, you need precise signals, you need accurate data, and you need a clear plan for how you're going to execute. And that is the difference between just being an informed researcher and being a successful trader.
And that really leaves us with this final thought. For the first time ever, the power of a world-class financial analyst is available to pretty much everyone. That whole era of analysis paralysis, it's over. The question is no longer about getting access to information. The question now is, what are you going to do with it? So how will you combine this incredible broad research with precise signals to find your next winning trade?